I'm Matt Daniel Teo. Today I will do a video recitation about operation management. Operation management is the process of planning, organizing, and supervising how goods and services are produced and delivered. The main goal is to ensure that resources such as people, material, time, and money are used efficiently to meet customer needs while maintaining quality. In the hospitality industry, operation management plays a very important role. It ensures that hotel rooms are prepared on time, food is served freshly and safely, and guest service runs smoothly. It involves proper scheduling of staff, managing inventory, maintaining equipment, and setting clear service standards. Operation management is quality control. This means consistently meeting customer expectation by improving process and reducing errors. Manager also focus on cost control to avoid waste and maximize profit without sacrificing service quality.